Welcome to the Daily Jing for Monday, April 10th. Here's the quote of the day. Any man or woman who keeps working is not a failure. He or she may not be a great writer, but if he or she applies the old-fashioned virtues of hard, constant labor, he or she'll eventually make some kind of career for herself or himself as a writer. Ray Bradbury. Okay, so let's look at the schedule. We're starting the new paper, the Familiar Essay 2. The Familiar Essay 1, number 3, was posted to the bottom of the essay, or the copy of the essay that I commented on with my initials _WCA. So that's where I'll be looking for your final draft. We're starting the VueNdu 4.1, which is the summary of the essay, and 4.2 on Moskowitz. Moskowitz is the essay that we're reading this week. Okay, so let's go back to the notes here. There is a not so subtle difference between the first familiar essay and the second. In the first, you concentrated on some sport or play that you participated in. And in the second familiar essay, you are to write about someone else playing or participating in a sport or play. The writer is present in the first essay. You should have written from the first person. But in the second, you step back into the background, but still are present to a certain degree. You should not write in the first person in the Familiar Essay 2, but talk about my brother, my teammate, or the kid down the street. So say you wanted to write about your softball team. In the first essay, you wrote about your struggles with maintaining a level of play that your father would be proud of. In the 4Fam2 paper, you might take up the story of your best friend who plays on the same team and tell the story of her struggles with injuries and how the coach supported her. Remember that in this essay, you also have to come up with a problem that has some trajectory of meaning. It starts with questions, and those questions need to be pursued and interrogated. And it has to intersect with some relationship that helps negotiate the working out of the problem. Okay, so the question of the day is, what are the two VueNdus that we're starting this week? 4.1 and 4.2, which is on Moskowitz. 4.1 is the summary of the assignment. And you'll find the assignment in this link right here. Okay? All right, thanks. Bye.